Welcome back, Crammers. Question 6. In a bag, there are only red counters, blue counters, green counters, and yellow counters. The total number of counters in the bag is given as 80. In the bag, the number of red counters is x plus 7. The number of blue counters is x minus 11. The number of green counters is 3x. Jude takes a random counter from the bag. The probability that he takes a red counter is given as 1/4. Work out the probability that Jude takes a yellow counter. So, we know that probability is simply quantity over total. And since we're given the quantity of red, blue, and green, but not yellow, we can simply subtract this from 80. Let's see what we can do here. We're already given the probability is 1/4. So we know that x plus 7 is equal to 1/4 of the total, which is 80. Now I can see 80 divided by 4 is simply 20. 20 times 1 is 20, is equal to 7 plus x. I bring 7 to the other side. That means x is equal to 13. Now we can actually simplify this into something that's a lot more recognizable. 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. So he has 20 red counters in the bag. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. And 3x, 3 times 13 is 39. Now again, if we're able to subtract red, blue, and green from the total, we'll find out how many yellow counters there are. So we simply write here 80, since that's the total. We subtract 20, subtract 2, subtract 39. And since it's the probability, we have to write the total. And since the total is 80, we simply write it here. I can see here that 80 minus 20 minus 2 minus 39 is 19, and simply write the same denominator, and that is our probability, 19 over 80. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.